Good morning, my dear respected students, and I welcome you all on the behalf of Swami Sandas Public School in your new session, that is 2021 and 22 in your +2 class. And here it is. Today we are begin with the class of computer science. My dear respected students, when we are supposed to discuss a syllabus with you all, then the syllabus of periodic test 1, in that case, first section is a revision of +1. So I'm not begin with the revision part of +1. I'm just begin with a chapter number 3, my dear respected students, and the chapter number 3, the name of the chapter is working with functions. Okay. If you have any kind of knowledge about functions, then you are supposed to type in a chat box. If you don't have any kind of knowledge about this, you are supposed to type no. I'm waiting for you. Be quick, be quick. I'm just waiting for you all that you are supposed to type yes or no. If you have any kind of information regarding the functions, then you are supposed to type yes or you are supposed to type no. Very good. Great. I'm waiting for your responses. Very good. Great. Inbuilt without Python. Yes. Oh, wow. Very good. Beautiful. Chaliye. My dear respected students, I'm just begin with the definition. First of all, it's my humble request that you all are supposed to concentrate here on the screen. My dear respected students, the definition says divide a large program into a different smaller parts or modules are known as a function. अगर आपको सरल शब्दों में इसके बारे में जानकारी प्रदान करूं तो कहूंगा when large program, बड़े प्रोग्राम्स को when divided into a smaller parts, छोटे छोटे भागों में कन्वर्ट करना, उन मॉड्यूल्स में कन्वर्ट करना, that is the concept of a function. I think so. My words are easy to understand. यहां तक जिसको मेरी बात समझ आ गई हो वो यस और नो में फटाफट, मतलब थोड़ा सा एक्टिव रहिएगा, यस और नो में कि व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय अ डेफिनेशन ऑफ फंक्शन. जिसको यहां तक समझ आया हो, वेरी गुड. जल्दी से जरा. अरे वाह, मजा आ गया. चलिए. ओके, नाउ you here it is in a next slide. My dear respected students, I'm just going to discuss one program here, and this one is the very simple program. And this program says that how we are supposed to perform addition and subtraction. My dear respected students, this is a practical session, and you expect the practical is happening here in this period. Okay. This is the program, and I'm not going to elaborate this program, that how the working of this program, because I know and I assume that you all know that how this program is supposed to be worked. I'm just going to open a new window here. My dear respected students, kindly concentrate. And in this new window, I'm just going to copy this content. And I'm just going to click here and paste the content here. What I'm going to do here, my dear respected students, I have just hit the F5 key, hit the enter key for saving that particular content. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to mention +2 and the program number 1 and hit the enter key. What happened right now when this program is supposed to be executed, kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. It's my humble request. This program says that we are supposed to enter the value, for example, 12 and for example, 10. And after that, they are supposed to display the sum, that is 22. And the subtraction is supposed to be displayed as 2. Why so? Here it is the condition. If num1 is greater than num2, then they are going to subtract num1 from num2. Otherwise, they are supposed to subtract num2 from num1. मेरे बच्चों को, जिन लोगों को मेरी बात यहां तक समझ आ रही है वो कृपया करके अब मेरी बातों को ध्यान से सुनिएगा, हर एक बार चैट बॉक्स नहीं. नाउ इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड माय पॉइंट यू आर सपोज टू रेज योर हैंड दिस टाइम. वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. यू आर सपोज टू रेज योर हैंड. इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट. और मुझे पता लग जाएगा, अरे वाह वाह क्या बात है. Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Okay. Now, very important thing. Now, kindly concentrate. It's my humble request that how we are supposed to, how we are supposed to convert this program into a function. Okay. Now, before that, my dear respected students, it's my humble request that you all are requested to concentrate here. What we are going to do here, I'm just going to display that content in a full screen mode. And now the important part, understanding functions. And what happened here, kindly concentrate that how we are supposed to convert a normal program into with the help of functions. First thing, this keyword that is a def, and def stands for a definition. एक बार chat box में type करिए that def stands for. Very good. I am waiting. Def stands for. Very good. अरे वाह क्या बात है. Definition. And this is a keyword, my dear respected students. Kindly remember this thing that this is a keyword. After that, next part says that addition is considered as a name of the function. Second important thing. Very good. Sir, what will be the third important thing? Here it is, when we accept the values from a main section, that is a num1 and num2, this is to be considered as a arguments. My dear respected students, this part which is defined inside the function is to be considered as a function body. And the last and the very important thing, that from a main section we are supposed to accept some values and we are going to call that particular function, and here it is, this section is to be called as a function call. एक बार जल्दी से टाइप करिए चैट बॉक्स में अगर यहां तक समझ आ गया हो. def for definition, name of the function, then there is argument, and then there is a body of the function, and then from main we are supposed to call the function. अभी तक मुझे किसी ने टाइप करके नहीं दिखाया. yes और no बोला है भाई. अगर समझ आ गया तो yes, अगर समझ नहीं आया तो नो. वेरी गुड. थोड़ा सा एक्टिव रहिए, मैं आपको बिल्कुल इंटरेक्शन में रखूंगा, आप ध्यान दीजिएगा जरा. ओके ग्रेट. अब बच्चे कहेंगे सर व्हाट इज दिस, आपने तो सिर्फ स्क्रीन पे दिखा दिया. ओके, दिस इज perfectly done sir, but can you please elaborate the same thing with the help of a practical demonstration? Yes, why not? It's my duty, my dear respected student. Okay, now what we are going to do here, kindly concentrate. What I'm just going to convert this program with the help of function. First of all, I'm just going to cut this and paste here and mention here. This is the symbol for comment, and I'm supposed to mention main method or main method. Okay, great. Now what we are going to do here, as we have discussed, that def is a definition. Def is a definition, and for example, addition is the name of the function, and when we are supposed to make the call, kindly concentrate, when we are supposed to make a call to a function that is a ADD, spellings are very important to understand. ADD spellings doesn't matter, but the spelling will remain same. Okay, I'm just going to cut it from here and here also. And here it is. There is two different values, that is num1 and num2. My dear respected students, this is to be considered as a function call. This is to be called as a function call. Okay, great. After that, what we are going to mention here it is again the arguments is supposed to be mentioned with the help of colon. And now one very important thing, how we are supposed to adjust the indentation here. I'm just going to select this and I'm going to hold the control key, and then there is a square bracket automatically adjusted. आप बोलेंगे सर एक बार प्लीज वहां लिख के बता दीजिए ना, कमेंट में हम भी करेंगे, अरे भैया तुम भी कर लो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रेस द कंट्रोल विद प्लस, प्लस के साथ कौन सा, दिस इज अ स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, and when you are supposed to press this together, the indentation is supposed to be set. This is the clue from my side. And if you don't require that particular information, we are supposed to delete this one. And for next, again we mentioned def, and there is a subtraction, subtraction. Again there is a 1, and here it is a 2. एक बार चैट बॉक्स में टाइप कर दो आप इंडेंटेशन सेट करने के लिए क्या करना है, व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. एक बार टाइप करिए, मैं तब तक एडजस्ट करता हूं. आप प्लीज टाइप करिए वहां पे चैट बॉक्स में दैट व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू फॉर एडजस्टिंग द इंडेंटेशन. वेरी गुड. अभी तक किसी ने नहीं किया. मैंने कमेंट्स में डाला है. अरे वाह, आ गया. ग्रेट. ओके, नाउ व्हाट हैपन, काइंडली कंसंट्रेट. Subtraction, subtraction. Again there is we are supposed to pass the values here, and this is to be considered as a function, function call. Okay, now what happened, it's my humble request, kindly concentrate. Why I am inserting comments for better clarity, function to perform addition. आप बिल्कुल देखते रहिएगा. And next one is to be considered as, here it is, function to perform subtraction, subtraction. Okay, great. Now what happened here, we are supposed to require two different values with the help of these two statements, and after that they call the function that is addition, ADDTION. Spelling will never matter. Okay, the spelling will remain same in both the places. And after that, the num1 and num2 is supposed to be passed here, and then they are going to perform the addition, and then this display the values along with the addition. Whereas subtraction function is supposed to be called here, and what happened, they are supposed to pass again these two values, and they perform the subtraction accordingly. Can we just run this program? Okay, type in a chat box yes or no. Be quick. Arey wow, very good, great. Okay, what happened here, kindly concentrate. Yes or no, I'm waiting in a chat box. Mujhe yes or no nahi aaya. Very good. आ गया. Very good, great. Okay, now what happened here, kindly concentrate. Here it is, this is a program section, and this is a section where we run that particular. Now what happened, we are supposed to pass the values, that is again 12 and 10 here, and when we just hit the enter key, the same thing will happen. Sum 12 plus 10 is equal to 22, and subtraction will be 12 plus 10, 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. If you have any kind of problem, then you are supposed to unmute yourself. First of all, you are supposed to raise your hand if you have any kind of problem, and then you are requested to unmute yourself. Okay, I'm waiting that anyone, if have any kind of problem, then you are supposed to raise your hand. Okay, very good, great. Okay, very good. Okay, two students are raising their hand. Vineet Japra ji, Japra साहब, asked to unmute. मैंने आपको बोला है, please unmute कर लीजिए. Yes, please. You are requested to discuss with me. Okay, विनेत जापरा साहब ने तो hand down कर लिया. अनिरुद्ध जी हैं हमारे पास. अनिरुद्ध, you are requested to unmute yourself, please.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, ये जो def addition है, ऊपर फंक्शन आपने लिखा है, सर ये डेफ सारे प्रोग्राम में सेम रहेगा?
मेरा बेटा, it's my humble request, kindly concentrate Anirudh ji. I'm just typing here a is equal to 10, and when I just mention again a, they display the value, because this is not to be considered as a keyword or some other thing. This is a variable. But when we type def is equal to 10 and hit the enter key, this says that invalid syntax. Why so? Because keyword means they having a particular meaning for a Python, and you are not supposed to use this def keyword for storing or for performing other than this functionality. So whenever you are supposed to define a function, my dear respected student, you are supposed to mention a keyword that is a def. After that, there is a name of the function, and then you are supposed to mention the arguments, and after that this is to be considered as a body of the function. मेरे बेटे को अगर मेरी बात समझ आई हो तो यस बोलिएगा, अगर नहीं आई तो यस बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है अनिरुद्ध जी।
सर आगे समझ
जीवन दे रहा हूं। यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू काइंडली म्यूट योरसेल्फ। आप ऑटोमेटिक रहिएगा, अपने आप काम करिएगा। कवल जी सर को थोड़ा सा पढ़ाने की तरफ ध्यान देने दीजिएगा। ओके, वेरी गुड। जिन लोगों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई, मेरा गुरप्रीत कुछ पूछ रहा था यार, गुरप्रीत पूछ रहा है। ओके गुरप्रीत, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई एम गोइंग टू अनम्यूट यू, वेट फॉर 1 मिनट। आस्क टू अनम्यूट, यस प्लीज। ग्रेट गुरप्रीत जी।
सर एक डाउट था।
हाँ बिल्कुल बोलिए सर, क्यों नहीं बोलेंगे आप।
सर जैसे जो सेकंड लाइन है डेफ एडिशन और उसके बाद है ऐड इज इक्वल्स टू num1 प्लस num2,
राइट
तो सर फिर सर हमें अगर हमने एडिशन कर ही दिया है तो फिर हमें ऐड इज इक्वल्स टू num1 प्लस num2 क्यों कर रहे हैं?
गुरुजी थोड़ा सा ध्यान को एकाग्रचित करने की कृपालता कीजिएगा। शब्दों में एडिशन लिख देना एडिशन नहीं होता। When I'm just going to mention a word that is addition, it doesn't make a sense that the addition is going to be performed. For performing the addition, we are supposed to mention that this is a variable add. In spite of using add variable, you are supposed to use any type of or any variable, but we are supposed to mention num1 plus num2. Why so? Because when the function is supposed to be called from a main section, my dear respected student, they pass these two values which is supposed to be selected from the user. They comes here and store in a num1 and num2, and then we are supposed to perform a operator. We apply a operator that is a plus, then only they add these values and store in this variable add, and then this add is supposed to display the addition of two different numbers. मेरे बेटा, मेरे बच्चे को मेरी बात समझ आई है? अगर नहीं आई तो नो बोल दीजिए, अगर आई है तो यस बोल दीजिए।
यस सर, आगे समझ।
मेरा बेटा ध्यान दीजिए, शब्द एडिशन लिखने से एडिशन नहीं होगा। यू आर सपोज टू राइट द मेथड, यू आर सपोज टू राइट द फंक्शन फॉर द सेम। मेरे बेटे को मेरी बात क्लियर है? गुरप्रीत की आवाज नहीं आई मुझे। गुरप्रीत, मैं एक बार फिर दोबारा आपको अनम्यूट कर रहा हूं, प्लीज। हाँ जी बोलिए, यस और नो?
यस।
ग्रेट, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू गुरप्रीत जी। ओके माय डियर रिस्पेक्टेड स्टूडेंट्स, ओके 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 ओके। अनिरुद्ध फिर दोबारा, अच्छा नॉर्मल आया, पहले नॉर्मल को। हाँ जी नॉर्मल जी, ग्लैड साहब जी, ग्लैड जी। ग्लैड आपकी आवाज मुझ तक नहीं आ रही, मेरी आवाज आप तक आ रही है बेटा? आपने हैंड रेज किया है। ओके नो प्रॉब्लम। ओके एनीवन? ओके 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 ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। Norman, if you have any kind of query, you are supposed to mention the same in a chat box. If you don't mind, please, it's my humble request. Okay. Great, my dear respected students. Now, this is the demonstration what we have done in our practical session, where we have mentioned the functions, where we have defined the function, where we have called the functions, and the entire process. My dear respected student, Python is very, very easy, very, very easy. Only one thing is required, the concentration. Concentration is required. If you are supposed to concentrate, in such case, you are do wonders. You are able to do wonders. Great. Okay. Now, next thing, what we are supposed to discuss here, kindly concentrate. Meri request hai beta, it's my humble request. Now we are supposed to discuss the function or the function types or the type of the functions. Kindly concentrate. First is built-in. First type of function is to be called as a built-in. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, सरल शब्दों में जो सीधी चीज आपके मस्तिष्क तक पहुंच जाए, built-in is defined, the thing which is there in a Python by default, that is to be called as a built-in. वो चीज जो Python में पहले से ही है, that is to be called as a built-in. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, now kindly concentrate here. First thing is a int. Yes, sir, I know that int is there, int function. Yes, sir, I have already know that float is also there. And sir, yes, it is very much clear that input is also to be considered as a built-in, means this is by default. We are not supposed to import anything to use these functions. Second part. Second is to be called as a modules, my dear respected student. Now modules is to be considered as an import math and import random. I'm just going to give the example of the functions here. Kindly wait for a while. Okay, now I'm just going to switch over to my Python. I'm looking for a Python. Very good, great. कंवलजीत सर ने बोला फर्स्ट चीज यहां देखिए, मैंने लिखा BUILT बिल्ट इन बाय डिफॉल्ट. बाय मैं यहां पे मेंशन कर रहा हूं विच इज टू बी कंसीडर एज अ बाय डिफॉल्ट. मैंने एंटर हिट किया. ओके सर, नाउ यू आर आल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट IMPORT import. Yes, I am talking about. Sir, kindly give the practical for the same because this thing is not clear to us. हमको clear नहीं है. आप कृपया करके उदाहरण दीजिए. Okay, no problem. I have mentioned a is equal to 5. Kindly concentrate. A is equal to 5. Now I have mentioned print SQRT square root of 8 and I am just going to hit the enter key. Wait. Why they show error? This is name error, name SQRT is not defined. So it means this is not a built-in function because they required a module. And what I am going to do here, I am going to mention the name of the module, that is the import math. And now what I am going to display is equal to 5. Sir, great. Now I have mentioned print name of the module, that is a math. After this SQRT, after that there is a and now I'm just going to hit the enter key and this says yes, means SQRT is not a by default, not a built-in function. This is a import kind of function which required some modules to be imported and then they are supposed to perform. Okay, one more example, example number 2. Okay, one more, I'm just going to elaborate. I'm just going to display a random number. For the same, I'm using a function randint. Rand stands for random, RANDOM. INT, int is an integer. It says that I'm supposed to display the values which is there within these brackets, and we have mentioned the range 5, 10 here, and I'm just going to hit the enter. Sir, what happened? Again, they are showing name error, name rand int is not defined. Can anybody tell me in a chat box which module is required to import? If you know, there is no compulsion. No compulsion is there. If you know that you are requested to mention the name of the module. अभी तक मेरे को किसी का आंसर नहीं आया. अगर नहीं पता तो नो कर दीजिए. वेरी गुड. अगर नहीं पता तो नो कर दो. ऐसे अरे वाह हर सिमरनजीत वेरी गुड. खुशी खेती जी वेरी गुड. अरे वाह सबका आ गया. ग्रेट, थैंक यू. अच्छा, अब मैंने क्या किया, इंपोर्ट रैंडम मैंने यहाँ पे किया and now I'm going to type here print RANDOM, that is the name of the module. After that RAND, after that these values 5 to 10 and now hit the enter key. Okay, one important thing, random will display value, randint will display a values within the range of 5 to 10 and both ends, that is 5 and 10 is included means 5 और 10 भी आउटपुट का भाग रहेंगे. कृपया करके देखिए, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू हिट द एंटर. 9, 10, 9, 8, 8, 8, 5, 8, 10 means they display the value from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hopefully, my words are easy to understand, and kindly type in a chat box that you are able to understand my words. Please, you are requested to type in a chat box if my words are easy to understand. वाह वाह क्या बात है, किसी का नाम नहीं लूंगा भाई. अरे 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 चलो 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 ठीक है. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. Great to see you all. Next thing. Now this is a user-defined kind of functions. Okay, as ये चितकुन प्रीत सिंह जी अब आ रहे हैं, चलिए कोई नहीं, जैसे भी है. User-defined function are those function which is being defined by a user, like in our practical demonstration. What I am going to do, this is the name of the function, that is addition, and this is neither a built-in nor a module. This is a type करना chat box में यार, एक बार क्या बोलना चाहता हूं मैं. This is neither built-in nor random import. This is a, अभी तक किसी ने टाइप नहीं किया कि तीसरे वाला कौन सा था. अरे वाह, वेरी गुड, आ गया. User defined, very good. This is a user defined. Subtraction is again a user defined. Okay, so I think so the concept of a type of functions are also clear. My dear respected students, it's my humble request, you are requested to understand the concept in spite of cramming the concepts. If the concept is there in your brain, then there is no need to cram anything. So can you please allow me to begin with the next? Okay, I'm just going to hit the enter key. एक आपको बहुत अच्छी चीज बता रहा हूं, देखिएगा प्लीज, ध्यान से देखिएगा. It's my humble request. It's my humble request. Kindly concentrate. This is a part of your syllabus that the topic says flow of execution in a function call. That how the program is supposed to be executed, how the program is supposed to be executed. So for example, this is the program, that how program is supposed to be executed. If you know that thing, that how the sequence of program to be executed, you are supposed to type the same in a chat box. For the time being, I'm just going to copy the content here and display one very important resource to you all regarding a Python. Okay, I'm just going to open my browser here. Great. And I think so that you all are able to view that resource. My dear respected student, this resource says that I am, kindly note down this resource, pythontutor.com. and now what I am going to do here with this, kindly concentrate, I'm just going to do wonders with the help of that. Okay, I'm just going to click on a start visualizing your code now, and the window is screen is supposed to be open. What I'm going to do here with a short example, I'm just going to display the content here. This is a function that is a def. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, when we are just going to copy that particular content here, hit the enter key, moving towards the back side. Okay, without any space, there is no need to mention the space. Okay, so what happened here, my dear respected student, now kindly concentrate the sequence of flow of your program. Click on the visualize execution. I'm just going to click on a visualize execution. This red arrow representing now control is on line number 1. Kindly on the another side of your program, मैं उसको बाद में undo कर दूंगा. I'm just going to undo that particular thing. I'm just going to mention here flow of your program. First means line number 1. Great. After line number one, what is supposed to be happen? अरे भैया ये तो अभी 8वीं कक्षा के आ गए क्या? अच्छा, okay, After that, what we are going to do here, my dear respected students, what we are going to do here, the line number 1 says def addition. Next, I'm just going to click on the next part. Now, automatically after line number 1, it moved towards a line number 4. I have mentioned here the line number 4, and they just talk about the number. I have entered the number, that is 12, and click on a submit. Now again, they move towards a red arrow towards a section that is a line number 5 here. I have again entered a 10 value and click on the submit. What happened now, that this red line is supposed to be up here and moving towards a line number 6. Again, when we click on the next button, they automatically move towards, after function call, they again move towards a line number 1. And now again, when we click on the next part, they move towards a line number 2. And again, when we click on, then it again is moving towards a line number 3. My dear respected student, hopefully the concept of that particular sequence is supposed to be understand. Yes or no? In a chat box. Very good, very good. If you want that I just discuss the same thing again, you are requested to type in a chat box. Great. Otherwise say yes or no. Yes, 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 yes. Very good, very good, very good, very good. अरे सर लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है यार, सीधा yes. आप मेरे बच्चे हैं. Yes, very good. Great, 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 great. Okay. So here it is the concept that how we are supposed to perform the or displaying the flow of your program. And my dear respected students, again I am saying that this is very, 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 very important. This is very, very, very important, my dear respected students, that you are supposed to perform this activity. And now I'm just going to stop the recording part of this particular. Okay, no problem. If you have any kind of query, and one, my dear respected student, in your official WhatsApp group created for your class, I am just going to copy and paste one Google form link, and it's my humble request that you all are requested to kindly fill your attendance there. And I'm not going to give you again and again a reminder, but it's my humble request that you are supposed, all are requested to do the same. Okay, and you are requested to fill your attendance there. Now if you have any kind of query, you are requested to kindly raise your hand, or you are going to unmute yourself if you are able to do the same. Very good, great. Okay, 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 no problem. Can I unmute Akulji? Akulji, I'm just unmuting you, and you are requested to kindly unmute yourself and just tell me something what you understand today. Very good. Akul, ask to unmute. मैंने तो कर दिया बेटा, आपको देखिए अगर आपकी, हाँ, very good, great. Akul, कुछ समझ आया आज आपको? You have understand something?
Yes, sir.
Very good. You have any kind of problem regarding the same while understanding the concepts?
No, sir.
And it's my humble request to all of you that, my dear respected students, you all are requested to kindly do the practical, and I'm going to share one Google form very soon, where the daily practice session you are supposed to perform at your home, and the programs are supposed to be updated or uploaded on that particular Google form. And with the help of that, I'm going to track your performance, that how you all are doing your practicals. Anyone else, if you have any kind of problem? Anyone else? And it's my humble request for all that you all are requested to join on time. Only 1 or 2 students are late. So it's my humble request that you all are requested to join on time. Okay, Hiya Sayalji, I'm going to unmute you. Kindly unmute yourself. It's my humble request.
Yes, sir.
हाँ मेरा पुत्र, मेरे बेटे को समझ आया था आज का सेशन?
Yes, sir.
और मेरे बच्चों ने बुक लिस्ट के लिए स्कूल वेबसाइट मेंशन है, सीबीएसई का यूआरएल आपको दे दिया है रिगार्डिंग द सिलेबस. सो काइंडली डाउनलोड सिलेबस from CBSE website and just download the book list from